How to install a car alarm in a truck. Are you considering adding a layer of security to your truck? Installing a car alarm can be a smart move to protect your investment. Let's break down how to get this done step by step. First, grab the manufacturer's instructions for your specific alarm system. Understanding the components and wiring diagrams is key to a smooth installation. Next, safety comes first. Disconnect the negative terminal of your truck's battery. This prevents any electrical shocks or short circuits while you work. Now, think about where to install the components. You will need to find the best spots for the control module, siren, and any sensors. For trucks, it's wise to mount the siren in the engine compartment. Keep it away from heat sources like the radiator or exhaust manifold. The control module can be placed behind the dashboard or other interior panels. Once you have your spots picked out, prepare the wiring. Use the wiring diagram to identify which wires need to connect. Strip the insulation from the ends of the wires. Use appropriate connectors or soldering techniques to secure those connections. Next, connect the power wires to the nearest battery power source. Make sure these wires are routed safely away from moving parts. Now it's time to mount the siren. Secure it in the engine compartment using sheet metal screws on a metal surface. Avoid placing it where water can collect, as that could damage the unit. Do not forget about the LED indicator. Mount it in a visible spot on the dashboard, ensuring it does not obstruct your view. You may need to drill a hole for this and secure it properly. After everything is installed, reconnect the battery. Test the alarm system to ensure everything is functioning correctly. In the context of truck culture and lifestyle, a car alarm is not just about security. It can also enhance the overall look of your custom truck interior. Attention to detail during installation can make a difference in how your truck feels and functions. Installing a car alarm in your truck is a practical way to boost security while fitting seamlessly into your truck's design. With the right tools and a little patience, you can complete this project and enjoy peace of mind knowing your truck is protected.